Hi there. So, why do people look for a financial plan or a financial planner or financial advisor, financial planning? I mean, what are people really looking for? I think a lot of times the initial inquiry is like, what's my number? What am I going to need to save in order to leave the requirement for paid employment? Right? It isn't necessarily get to 65 as a default, end your work, and then what? Open your rest of your life to leisure. It can be. In fact, age 65 came from initially, if you had started working at age 20 and saved 10% each year, somewhere along those math lines. I'm sure you can Google it to confirm, but somewhere around there, you would end up with enough to retire to replace the income that you were making before, just leading up and before you retired. I think that's a good rule of thumb, right? Save something. But a lot of people find it to be a problem to save anything. And so that's why they look for a planner. Um, there's also a trigger event in life that can happen. So, changing jobs, job status, starting a business, getting married, starting a family, certainly retiring. And there are also large dollar events like company stock or gift inheritance, or being informed of your company retirement plan distributing out or giving money to you. And it has some consequences to it, such as income tax. Most importantly, people come to financial planning or a financial planner because they want to be heard about all of their anxieties and worries about their money. They want to be congratulated for their successes. And they really want confirmation that what they are doing will help them achieve their goals. Some some may want to leave an existing planner, and that's rare. And generally, as a planner, I would ask why. What did the planner miss for you in the engagement? Some people have advisors and still hire a financial planner because to make money as a financial planner, it's hard to be, or as a planner or an advisor, it's hard to be attentive to an entire client base of hundreds of thousands. Generally, it's up to maybe 75 people or around 50 households, or there's a certain dollar amount as well. So, people come to financial planning and looking for a financial planner or a financial advisor because they are looking for confirmation that what they're doing is right. They have a triggering life event. Maybe they want to leave or improve their professional work that they do with an existing advisor who maybe just manages their investments. And lastly, I'd say some come because they're stuck. Perhaps that's why I came to the profession. I've always had a passion for it. I've always been able to save. That's rare. That's not everybody. Even still, I felt stuck at multiple times in my life, financially speaking. And where I sought out advice was a lot of the places that we'll talk about next in terms of how do you find financial advice or a financial planner. So people want confirmation that they're doing the right things already, potentially how to improve. They have a triggering life event. They are leaving or seeking to improve the professionals they work with in financial advising, either existing and leaving or existing remaining and finding another professional to work with. Or they feel really stuck in where they are with their finances and they need either some accountability or I don't know, just a new strategy. So that's why people come to financial planning. And in our next video, we'll talk about how to find financial advice. Thank you.